Okay, I think this is a good angle. I always feel so weird filming sit down videos. These jeans are uncomfortable. I unbuttoned them, but I should probably just change because that just looks weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today's video is a what's on my iPhone video because I recently did a iPhone 12 Pro unboxing and like 2 people asked me for a what's on my iPhone, so I thought I would do it. First, let me get all of my apologies out the way. Okay, I'm sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background. I have a loud house. I still live at home with my mother and she babysits, so there's a lot of kids here. Also, for whatever reason, they're popping fireworks on July 2nd. It's not even July 4th yet and they're popping fireworks. I don't get it. And also, sorry if the background is a little messy. I half-assed made my bed. And then you can kind of see Peppa. I kind of have a weird obsession with Peppa Pig right now, so yeah, I stole my little sister's Peppa Pig toy. But okay, now that that is out of the way, like I said earlier, I have the iPhone 12 Pro and I'm in love with this case. And I've actually been obsessed with cases. Like, I might end up doing a iPhone case collection at the end of this video. But okay, so we covered what's on the outside of the phone. Let's get to what I have on here. Okay, I'm gonna just tell you right now, my phone is not even interesting at all, so yeah, but let me start screen recording. Okay, so this is my lock screen. I love beach backgrounds. This is actually from Pinterest. I didn't take it myself, but yeah, it's super pretty. And it's also the same as my home wallpaper. And for this first page, I just have like the basic regular Apple apps that come with it. I have FaceTime, calendar, mail, clock, and I have this little weather widget because I just like to know the weather for the day. Then I have photos and I have camera, which let's take a photo. Say cheese. We're so cute. They hate us because we're so cute. But okay, I have reminders, notes, maps, weather, app store, podcasts, and I've been loving podcasts lately. My favorite one to listen to is The Mindset Mentor with Rob Dial. It's so good. But yeah, and then I have wallets and settings, and then on the bottom row I just have phone, Safari, messages, and Apple Music. And let me tell you guys, I used to be one of those people that have like so many unread messages, but I cannot stand notifications for some reason, so I read all my messages now. But yeah, on the next page I just have folders, and the first folder is utilities, which is just like all of the apps that I don't use. Yeah, and then the next folder I have biz things because I have a small business, hashtag small business owner. So I have the sell on Etsy app because I do have an Etsy, but also my website, which is what Shopify is for. And then I have Etsy, the regular app, and then Shopify ping, so people can message me when they're on the website if they need help or anything like that. And then I have YouTube Studio, which is just like where you can check your analytics and comments and stuff like that. Very useful app if you do YouTube. And then the next folder, it's titled In My Bag, oops, with a little money sign or money emoji. I have Discover, which is for my credit card banking. I have Bank of America, which is for my business banking. Wells Fargo, which is for my personal banking. And then PayPal, which is also for personal and business. So yeah. Then my next folder is photo and video. Okay, for Fonto, I use for like thumbnails and stuff. Pixar I use for my thumbnails, but I usually edit my thumbnails on my iPad now, just because it's easier on a bigger screen. Then I have Lightroom, which is for editing. And then I have Unum, which is just to like plan out your feed. And I use this for my business Instagram page because I do not post on Instagram on my regular page, which I want to get better with. But like I will eventually. I just gotta have people to take my picture. And I actually have to leave my house, so we'll work on that. But then I have Facetune, which is for editing photos as well, and Visco for editing, and Facetune 2 is for editing as well. I watched this YouTube video on how a person edits their photos, and Facetune 2 does really good with like the lighting and stuff, like not even for what you would think it's for. Yeah, and then I have Canon Mini Print. My sister has this Canon like printer where you can print out photos from your phone, and yeah, I'll be using it too, and it's actually really cool, so yeah. The next folder I have is titled Main Ho because these are my main hosts. These are my main apps that I use. Okay, so we have Twitter. Twitter, such a funny app. I get all my news from here. And it's a joy to just scroll through Twitter. So yeah. Then I have TikTok. I can stay on TikTok for hours. It's what keeps me up at night. So I really need to stop because it's kind of unhealthy, but I love me some TikTok. Then I have Netflix, Hulu, and Paramount Plus, and I use these apps mainly when I'm in bed and don't feel like using my laptop or iPad. I have Instagram, the app where I don't post, so yeah, but I do on my business page. So then I have YouTube. Y'all all know what YouTube is. Y'all on it right now. And I have Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I get all my little nail inspo for Pinterest and just a lot of inspo for Pinterest. Like, I want to dye my hair, so I've been looking at some hair dye inspos and like tattoo inspiration, which I don't really want to copy anyone's tattoo, but like inspiration, you know? Like, I can scroll on here all day. I love Pinterest. But okay, next we have Yum, have DoorDash and Uber Eats. Your girl don't be cooking like she's supposed to, so these apps get used very often. They're constantly taking my money. I'm constantly giving them my money, okay? Because I like to eat. Moving on, the next folder is Shopaholic, which Amazon. I also give Amazon so much of my money because it's just, they have like everything on there, and 2-day shipping. I love 2-day shipping. And then I have the Shop app, which is where I can track all my packages. And honey, once I put in my order, I'm tracking that package because I want it. So yeah. And then I have this game, Water Sort Puzzle. This is really addicting. I just play this in bed or whenever, but I am kind of stuck on this level, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's really just strategic. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, it's really fun. And then I have IDK because I don't know what all to like put this, you know. This app Fever, however you pronounce it. I get some embroidery designs digitized through here, so yeah, it's a great app if you want to get your designs digitized. You don't know how to do it yourself. You can always find someone on this app and they will do it for you. Then I have BetterHelp. It's my therapy app. Yeah. Google Maps, because sometimes the regular maps be tripping, so I be having to Google Maps. I have Google Duo. Y'all, my sister got an Android, so I'll be having to Google Duo her. No shame though, she loves it. She has an iPhone as well, so no shame. And then I have Cash App to send money or to get money sent to. I have Disney Plus, which I don't really watch it on my phone, so I just put it in IDK. I have Facebook. I don't really get on that much. So yeah, it's in here. I have Documents and then Gmail, and I have so many notifications for it, and it's so bad because, you know, it's just too late to read all of them, so yeah. And then I have Bitmoji, which is like the little Snapchat emoji. I like to change her up. And then I have GIF keyboard. Do y'all say GIF or GIF? I don't know how to really pronounce it, but I say GIF. But yeah, so GIF keyboard is pretty explanatory. And then I have Jiffy. It's also an app for GIFs. I like using GIFs. And then I have travel. So I have Lyft and Uber because your girl can't drive, but I will get my license soon. You guys hold me accountable because I am 20 years old. I should have my license. It's embarrassing at this point. And then I have Widgetsmith, which is how you get the widgets. Then I have Snapchat, which I don't really post on, but I do snap like a couple people that want me to snap them, so yeah. And I don't really have any apps over here in the app library. They're really the same. So yeah, that is all that's on my phone. Very simple, very boring, I know. So should I just do my phone case collection? Because like, why not? Okay, so I got all my phone cases. I think I have 11, so I'm gonna need another one to make it even, you know, or it's really just an excuse to buy more. Okay, first case we're gonna start with is this Casetify case, but this is how it looks. In the back, it just has a bunch of quotes, and it's this neon orange, and I am in love with this case. I just think it's so cute. The quotes say, "You're doing great, breathe in, breathe out, one day at a time, forgive yourself, take a break," and then it has a smiley face, a thumbs up, a star, and it's just So cute. And I love the feeling of this case in my hand. Casetify cases are just top notch, and I only have one, so may need to get some more. But okay, next case is this case from Amazon, and it just has pink and orange swirls, and it's so cute. But yeah, I love this case. I love pink and orange. Okay, so next are my silicone cases. I have 4, so I'm just going to be showing you the different colors. They're all from Amazon. Okay, so this is it in purple. This is it in pink sand. This is in the color tea green, one of my favorites. A mint muted green. Okay, so next are my wildflower cases. I have 3. Okay, so the one I was wearing at the beginning of the video, I love this one so much. I've been loving flowers recently. Okay, so next case is my all-time favorite case, because I'm obsessed with all the colors in this case, but it just like has flowers and swirls, and yeah, I'm obsessed with the colors in this. Okay, so then I have this mushroom and wildflower case, and it's so pretty. I love wildflower cases because just look at them. Okay, so now on to like my clear type cases. You can never really go wrong with a clear case. I like to put like little pictures on the back of them, so yeah, I love my clear cases. Okay, so this one is just like plain clear, nothing too special. Okay, so for my last case is this clear sparkly case. I don't know if you can really see the sparkles, but it has sparkles. So yeah, it's a bit more fun than just the plain clear. But okay, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it wasn't too boring, and I hope the background noise wasn't too loud and too distracting, because I know I live here. It's annoying. I get it. So I apologize for that. But anyways, if you have made it up to this point in the video, you're a real one. But also comment down below the fire emoji, just because I like to watch my videos all the way through. And it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know. So leave that down below. And yeah, I love you guys. Let me take a thumbnail first. Okay, I think I got one, hopefully. But okay, I'm out. Love you.